Hello, people. Welcome to my screen. First pair on my list will be card JPY. So let's dive into the chart analysis. And but before then, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, smash that subscribe button right there. So on the card JPY, on my last video that I talked on card JPY, I analyzed card JPY to the downside to this key level of support right here. So let's go to the weekly time frame to analyze again. Now on the weekly time frame, we can see that card JPY is on a bullish trend to the upside, and before it continues its bullish trend to the upside, we expect card JPY to retrace to a certain level. We use the Fibonacci from the point of the swing low right here to the swing high to see the next Fibonacci level target. Now on the next Fibonacci level target shows that we expect CAD JPY price to push down to this key level of support properly before price heading to this Fibonacci next level target right here. So now we have seen what we need to see on the higher time frame. Now before we move to the daily time frame, to the lower time frame, we can see that on the weekly time frame, CAD JPY has formed a trend reversal right here. As you can see, we have seen a trend reversal on CAD JPY. This is a trend reversal on CAD JPY. We have a push down right here. Attempted this level of support, could not break lower. He pushed it up again to test it again, will not still break lower. So price keep coming to this key level of support to test it for multiple times. We have the first attempt, it was rejected. Second attempt, it was rejected. Third attempt, it was rejected. The fourth attempt, it was also rejected, and upon the fifth attempt, price was also rejected. This tells us that this key level of support right here, it is significant, it is strong for price to break lower. Whenever price comes to that level, it rejects that level to the upside, and ever since then, price has fired up to the upside, creating consecutive series of higher highs and higher lows. This is a high, this is a low, this is a high, this is a low. We just use the Fibonacci right here from the point of the swing low right here to the swing high, and the next Fibonacci target is pointing to this place. So let's go down to the daily time frame to see in details, to see how we can jump in for a sell, for a short-term sell. Not this this retracement right here is a short-term sell retracement, not a full scale sell trend. Now I use the Fibonacci again from right here, from this swing low right here to the swing high. So Fibonacci level is pointing right here, and we expect price, and Fibonacci retracement is pointing right here to this key level of support right here to balance where right here before pushing to the upside right here, and this is the next Fibonacci level target for CAD JPY. So let's go to the daily time frame. We have seen what we need to we are on daily time frame already. So now on the daily time frame, now how can we jump in for a short sell to the down to this key level of support right here? We are expecting price to come and fill this empty space properly before pushing to the upside to this key level, to this key level of resistance right here. So now, so right now, let me adjust the screen properly. Good. Now on the daily time frame, how we can, like I said earlier, we need KGPY price to push down to this key level of support right here. So how we can do that is to expect, we need to see a daily candle break and close above this counter trend line right here to push tested in CAD JPY down to this key level of support. Now, as you can see, we have a push down. Price attempted this level, could not break higher, form a trend reversal right here. It pushed down again, forming a what? A trend reversal, double bottom. Price came to attempt this key level of resistance, could not break lower. That level rejected that price. Attempt it again for the third time. That level still rejected that price again. And presently, CAD JPY is pointing to the downside, as you can see properly. So CAD JPY is pointing to the downside. Now on my last video, I bring out this yellow bar right here, and I said to myself that we need to see price break and close. We need to see price break and close below this yellow bar right here. And just as I've said, it happens just as I said. So daily time frame and daily candle have break and close above this yellow bar right here. With daily candle has break and close above this yellow bar right here. So on last week candle, which is on Friday, closed with a shooting star. We expect the new market week day, which is on Monday, to also engulf it with a bearish engulfing candle, to see CAD JPY price pushing to this trend line right here. Now, as you can see, now on the with the inner trend line, we have the first touch, the second touch, and upon the third touch, price breakout and is pointing to the other side. So this inner trend line has done its work. Is done with its work. So now we are left with the outer trend line, which is the main trend line. This main trend line will push price down to this key level of support right here, provided that price break and close somewhere around here to push price down to this key level of support. We have the first touch right here, second touch right here, and upon the third touch, price is currently coming for the third touch. We might have a fourth touch. This third touch can come here, and this trend line might bounce it up. I repeat, third touch can come here. Two things can happen right here. Like I said, we have the first touch right here, second touch right here. Price is currently pointing down to this trend line right here for the third touch. It can get here for the third touch and break out, or it can get here for the third touch and bounce up again, come back for the third touch and break it. Whichever one that happened, all we need to wait for is what? Is to see a clear breakout of daily candle breakout right here, what to push CAD JPY to the downside. So right now, another deciding factor that I can spot here is this level right here. This yellow bar right here, as you can see, this is a minor level of support where price can get here. This yellow bar right here can resist CAD JPY price from pushing lower. You need to consider this minor level of support too, because when price gets here, it's going to react too. Because in the past right here, when price push down to this level right here, it bounce off. It's coming here again for the second time. It might bounce up to test the outer part of this trend line before pushing down to this key level of support. But our main target is to see price come here. Once this price that is coming down right here gets to this place, it's going to react. It's going to hold for some time before breaking lower. You need to put this into consideration. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see what is happening right here. Now, and before I switch to the 4-hour time frame, let me recap what I've said. Now, on CAD JPY, it has given us a trend reversal on the higher time frame, the weekly time frame. Now we come, okay, before then, it has given us a push up. We expect price to push down, for a retracement before pushing up again. So now this is a retracement. This is a retracement. This is a retracement on the higher time frame, on the weekly time frame. We expect price to push down right here. We have used the Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high right here, and the Fibonacci level target is pointing somewhere. Is pointing right here, and the next level target for CAD JPY is this key level of support of resistance right here. If provided that this place is filled properly, we see CAD JPY pointing to this key level of support of resistance. Now, like I've said earlier, like I've said earlier, this trend line too, they are important because they can resist price from going higher or lower. Now we have the inner trend line right here. We have the inner trend line, we have the first touch, second touch right here, and upon the third touch, price cleared it out. Price has break below it and is pointing to the downside. Right, presently as it is now, CAD JPY is on the sell trade right now. So now, and the next level target is this trend line right here. We have the main trend line. We have the first touch of the main trend line, it bounce up. Second touch of the main trend line, it also bounce up, and price is coming for the third touch of this main trend line. Like I said, the third touch can either break out or the third touch can bounce up again and come back for the fourth touch, for the third attempt, and that fourth attempt will push the price down. Now, when price break and close this yellow bar right here, there is another level right here. This level of support, this minor level of support right here. When price should get here, it's going to react before breaking lower. If we can see daily candle break and close here properly, definitely we should see CAD JPY to this key level of support. So let's move to the forward time frame. Okay, now on the forward time frame, we come to the forward time frame to see properly of of what we have seen on the daily time frame. Now on the forward time frame right here, we can see a lot of information right here. Now this was the inner trend line on the daily time frame, and this is the outer trend line. I have talked about, like I have said, that the inner trend line has done its work. It has finished its work. So now remaining this outer trend line. Now this was the breakout on the daily time frame, and on the forward time frame we expect a pullback right here. Let this yellow bar right there, this minor level of support that was acting as support before, let it turn resistance to push price down to this trend line right here. Now, and our next level target for CAD JPY is this key level of support right here. So now whatever we are looking for right now is what is selling opportunity to the downside. Whatever we are looking for right now is what selling opportunity to the downside, opportunity that will take us down to this key level of support, and what to this key level of support right there. So that is what we are looking for right now. So now we have seen what we need to see on the 4-hour time frame. Pull back right here, we push it to this main trend line for the third touch, or price might bounce up again and come back for the third touch, for the third attempt before pushing to this minor level of support right here before breaking lower. So now we can now use our sell position right here, if provided that price come back right here. So stop loss comes somewhere like so, and what I will target the whole of this. This is our next level target. This is our overall next level target on CAD JPY. We expect to see this. We expect to see this. This is going to take time. This is going to take time to come back to here. So now we have seen what we need to see on the CAD JPY. CAD JPY is on the sell trade, for it's a retracement sell trade right now. CAD JPY is on a bullish trend, but all this sell we are doing right, all this sell that is happening right here is a retracement sell to this key level of support. So now we are done with CAD JPY. So let's move over to the next pair. So and the second pair on my list is okay, Euro JPY. Now on Euro JPY. Now presently I am currently on this trade. As you can see, I'm in profit. The price is currently pushing to the downside. So let's go to the higher time frame. Now on the higher time frame, CAD JPY is also pushing to the upside too, and this is a retracement. We so I use the Fibonacci again to see the market movement properly. Can you see that? Can I see that now the next level target for CAD JPY is this key level of support of resistance right here. So CAD JPY need to feel and balance out right here on this key level of support to push price to the upside. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, this is a retracement. Like I've said earlier, I am currently on this trade. I am in profit already, and as you can see, price is pushing to the downside. There might be a delay, but surely price will come down here. So meanwhile, now on the daily time frame, it was we have a minor level of resistance and minor level of support where price has been struggling to break lower, either to the upside or to the downside. But we are favoring the downside based on our analysis from the higher time frame. Now we have a push we have a push down right here. Price attempted this minor level of support, created a minor level of support. It pushed down again, could not still break this level right here. It came shy of this level and bounced up again. Ever since then, price has been moving sideways, moving sideways, moving sideways. You can see it moving sideways in, in a range like that. So anyway, we are still pointing to the downside. Now now on the daily time frame, the immediate trend that we can jump on for itself is this right here. Now we have the first touch, second touch, and upon the third touch, price breakout and is pointing to this next minor level of support right here. So let me adjust the screen properly. So it's pointing to this minor level of support right here. If this minor level of support is taken out, we should see Euro JPY pushing to this key level of support right here. This minor level of support is holding price from breaking lower. As you can see, it came here in the past. It started right here. Price mm, price gets here with a full body candle. But on that day, before that market closed that day, the buyers pushed up that price and pushed it up again. And price came again, attempted again. We ha- and ever since then it has been ranging. Price is currently trading right here. And as you can see on the daily time frame, on this minor level of resistance right here, we have a trend reversal, double top right here. As you can see, this is a double top. Price attempted it again. This trend line, it was rejected. It attempted it again for the second attempt. It was also rejected, forming a trend reversal right here. Price pushed down, price pushed down, and is pushing to this next level of support. Hopefully, if we can see, hopefully price can still get here and still bounce and still come back here again to attempt this level. But hopefully, if price can clear this level right here, this trend line level, this minor level of support right here, if we can clear it, we should see CAD and Euro JPY pointing to this key level of support. Our target is right here. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame to see what is happening properly. Now on the 4 hour time frame, I'm trying to adjust the screen. refuse it properly. Now on the forward time frame, we can see that what is currently on the daily time frame. On the forward time frame, we see in details. Now on the forward time frame right here, we have a minor level of support here where price has run into, and this minor level of support needs to be put into consideration, because that minor level of support can hold price. That minor level of support can what? Can hold price from either going to the upside or to the downside. We need to consider them. They cannot be overlooked. They are also important too. So now when price okay, when price came here in the past, it bounced up. It came here again, it break out, pull back again. Now now it's coming back again. So right now I'm expecting this price to come right here. I'm expecting this forward time frame candle to come back to this yellow bar right here. To come back here to this yellow bar right here. Let this yellow bar turn resistance, and we aim this support here. Once that is done, CAD JPY is coming down, and again it might still not come down here properly and continue its trend. But anyway, all we are after is a sell opportunity, and CAD JPY is on the sell trade already. So so um so that will be that on CAD on Euro JPY for the following coming market week. Now I have talked about CAD JPY and Euro JPY. Both pair are both trending to the upside, and currently they are on a short-term sell retracement. So that will be all on CAD JPY and Euro JPY for the following market week. So let's see how the market week will go. I urge you guys to smash the subscribe button right there, comment and share this video for others to benefit from. See you in the next video.